Hi, my name's Dan Brown. Me and my wife Helen are Habibo Homes. We're based in Bristol, we're a family-run business and we create design-led co-living spaces for professional tenants. Current project is Eagle Road and it's a beautiful large 3-bed detached house that we're creating a 6-bed all-ensuite co-living space. It's going to be fantastic. It's bold and beautiful designs, walk-in wardrobes. The rooms are an average of 15 to 16 square meters with a fantastic communal space area. The purchase price for the 3-bedroomed house and the adjoining plot with planning permission on it was £310,000. Development costs work out to be £300,000. We're enjoying working with our investors on Habibo 2 and 3, but the project isn't fully subscribed yet. So if you want to get involved and earn some great returns on an investment, then please get in touch. Our Facebook page is Habibo, our Instagram is Habibo Homes, and our website is www.habibohomes.co.uk. Thank you.